Welcome back my YouTube channel Top Cars TV. 1971 Chevy K10 Stepside remains one of the most iconic and beloved pickup trucks in American automotive history. With its rugged build, classic styling, and strong V8 performance, it's a machine that still turns heads over 50 years after it first hit the road. The K10 Stepside, specifically from the 1971 model year, has become a symbol of Chevrolet's golden era of truck manufacturing, a time when vehicles were built for both work and personality. The Stepside design gives the truck its unmistakable silhouette. Unlike fleet-side trucks with a flatbed design, the Stepside has prominent, flared rear fenders and a narrow bed, which adds a muscular yet vintage appeal. This style, paired with its upright stance and squared-off front end, gives the K10 a classic pickup profile that's immediately recognizable. It also offered practical benefits back in the day, providing easy access to the rear wheels and a lightweight bed. Under the hood, the 1971 K10 could be equipped with several engine options, but the standout was the legendary 350 cubic inch V8, producing solid horsepower and torque. It gave the truck enough muscle to haul, tow, or just cruise the open roads with confidence. Paired with a 4-speed manual or optional automatic transmission, the drivetrain delivered both durability and drivability, a combination that has helped many of these trucks remain in use or restorations today. One of the most notable improvements for the 1971 model was the introduction of front disc brakes as standard equipment. This significantly improved safety and braking performance, especially when compared to previous models that relied solely on drum brakes. The truck also featured a more refined interior than earlier years, with a more comfortable bench seat, better instrument layout, and optional air conditioning, still a luxury in many trucks of that time. Please like and subscribe my YouTube channel Top Cars TV today, if you're looking to buy a fully restored or well-maintained 1971 Chevy K10 Stepside. You can expect to pay a wide range depending on condition, originality, and upgrades. On average, prices for clean examples typically range from $25,000 to $50,000. However, trucks with extensive restorations or high-performance modifications can fetch even higher figures at auction or through private collectors. The bumper, side mirrors, and bed panels are often aftermarket upgrades or restored originals, and their quality can affect overall value. Reproduction or restored chrome bumpers alone can cost several $100s, while full restoration parts packages can easily run into the thousands. A 1971 K10 Stepside is not just a truck, it's an experience. From the satisfying growl of its V8 to the raw, mechanical feel of its steering and pedals, everything about it connects you to a time when driving was more tactile and personal. Whether you're into classic restorations, off-road builds, or retro-style cruisers, the K10 provides a solid foundation for any vision. As the popularity of vintage trucks continues to rise, the K10 Stepside holds its place as one of the most cherished and enduring pickups in Chevrolet's legendary lineup.